Alright guys, you know what day it is today? It is the day to hopefully finish up the Yukon. So, yeah. Let's open up this door so we can get this beast out. Hopefully she doesn't have too hard of a time to start, or starting. It's got some kind of stale fuel in it, so. Alright. We are going to have to connect the battery though. So today, in today's video, we're going to be doing the body mount bushings. Putting plates in there, welding plates, both sides. And then welding this rocker and bent it in, and then welding it. So yeah, as you can see, kind of catches a little bit, so I need to bend it in a little more. And yeah. Looks like I need to go grab the wrench to connect the battery. And then we'll get on with the video. As always, make sure to leave a like, smash the subscribe button, and drop a comment down below. I appreciate the support, channel support. So let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, look at the truck. My dad painted the cab all white. Looks mint. Look at that. Yeah, it looks good. Did that last night. Alright. This is kind of a mess in here. So I'm doing all the body work on that truck. Look at all the Bondo dust. So yeah. Alright. Just cross my fingers that it starts now. Hopefully if we get that stuff done today, then we can give it a bath. Cleaning the interior as well as the exterior. Yeah, listed for sale. Here goes nothing. Battery's kind of dead. Needs a new battery. Alright, looks like we gotta go get the jumper. That sucks. Whatever, it is what it is. Alright, 50 amp, we'll see if this starts it. Here goes nothing. Luckily, it was just right over here, the charger, so yeah. Alright. Look at that. Fire right up. No problemo. So, like a glove. We'll just set this right here for now, just in case we're going to need it again. Oh yeah, gotta close the hood too. Gotta remove my nice board. Let's back this rig out. Make sure there's nothing behind it. Getting closer and closer to getting it sold. Open this window. Yeah, she needs a bath. Hopefully I can give it one today. She's a beaut, Clark. That is for sure. Without a doubt. So, now to pull the skid steer out, get that thing out of the way, and then supposed to clean up this mess, but maybe. Yeah, that is a nice truck. I'm definitely gonna miss it. Now I took the front wind dam off the front end. Looks so good. Totally. Makes it look more jacked up. Alright, you know what we have to do now? We have to unbury the welder. Just gotta kind of move this stuff out of the way. There we go. Shut the music off so we don't get demonetized. And whoof. Hey, that's pretty cool effects. The Bondo dust really gives it a nice whoof effect. It's a big bad boy Miller welder. Alright. Miller. So, probably, I don't know, pull the truck in. Guess we can see. Alright, I'm gonna get this all set up and we'll be good to go. There she sits. Alright guys, I'm just gonna sand down this area quick so it's ready for welding. Alright guys, so unfortunately my tripod stand broke, so this is how far we got on it. Ground out the, well, got the, jacked it up, cut off the old bolts because they were rusted, snapped one head off, cut them both off. Yeah, sanded them down, prepared for welding. My dad's cutting out the plates of metal, and yeah. So, unfortunately, I did not get the center bushing, so we're gonna see what we can do. Might just reuse the old ones. Those are the two new ones on the ends, but yeah, it's coming along slowly but surely. I also got the rocker over here sanded down, so that's ready to be welded as well. Sweet! Alright, stay tuned for more. Dad, I think you might have to push that up. No. Yeah, do you? Shout out to Dad doing the welding. Don't forget about your delivery. There's the weld.
Or take your plate off before you forget.
Looks good.
Smoking a little bit.
Yeah. Look at that, like a glove. Ooh, it's got a little tension, but yeah. The close is good. Good enough. Thanks. See?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that closes nice. Shout out to Dad for doing the welding. Oh, looks good.
Not done yet.
It's not done yet? Some nice welds. completely welded.
Both of them.
So yeah. Alright guys, got the body mounts in. As you can see, the plates are in there, they're painted. So yeah. I just got the 2 bumper brackets, the top ones removed. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna do that as a separate video, and I got the rocker painted as well, right there in the car. Yeah, it turned out pretty good, so now time to do the bumper. Peace out, like and subscribe.